What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to restore the default icons in Galaxy S24 FE. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on themes. Now in themes, tap on this menu option and then go to my stuff and then tap on icons. Now from here select the first option of default and then from the pop-up tap on apply. Then it will take few seconds to apply the default icons theme. So that's how you can restore the default icons in Galaxy S24 FE. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.